Hi Sam. Are you ready for another exciting German word today?
Hi Alex. Yes, I'm ready. What's the word for today?
Today, we're learning.
Erinnerung.
It means memory or remembrance in English.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Is there a specific meaning that's more common?
Yes, the most common meaning of
Erinnerung.
is memory, but it can also refer to remembrance in a more formal context, like remembering someone special. Just be careful with the false friend remember, which is
Erinnern.
in German.
Got it. So, how do we use
Erinnerung.
grammatically?
Erinnerung.
Is a feminine noun, so it has the article.
Die.
In plural, it becomes
Die Erinnerungen.
So, it's
Die Erinnerung.
and
Die Erinnerungen.
exactly. In the present tense, you can say
Ich habe eine Erinnerung.
which means I have a memory. In the past tense, you would say
Ich hatte eine Erinnerung.
for the simple past, and in the perfect, you say
Ich habe eine Erinnerung gehabt.
wow, that's a lot. Can we use an imperative with this word?
not really, because it's not a verb. But we can say something like
Erinnere dich an die guten Zeiten.
which means remember the good times. That's a nice way to use it.
Where does the word
Erinnerung.
come from?
Great question. It comes from the old High German word,
Erinnerung.
which is related to the verb,
Erinnern.
meaning to remember. Over time, it evolved into what we use today. It's fascinating how language changes, isn't it?
Yes, that's really interesting.
Now, let's break down
Erinnerung.
into pieces. The prefix often indicates the beginning of an action, the root.
Inner.
Relates to memory, and the suffix
Ung.
indicates a process or result. So, it's like the process of remembering.
That makes sense.
If it were a compound word, the last noun would determine the gender, but here, it stands alone.
Can you give me some similar words?
Sure. We have
Erinnern.
the verb form meaning to remember. Then there's
Erinnerungsvermögen.
which means memory capacity. For the prefix, there's also
Erreichen.
meaning to reach.
That's a lot.
Yes, and for the suffix,
Ung.
think of words like
Bildung.
which means education, or
Wertung.
meaning evaluation.
And how about some more examples with the same compound pattern?
Of course. There's,
Schnellladung.
meaning fast charging, and
Bewegung.
meaning movement.
This is so helpful. How can I use
Erinnerung.
in real life?
Here are 3 situations. First, talking about memories with friends. You can say,
Ich habe eine schöne Erinnerung an unseren Urlaub.
which means I have a beautiful memory of our vacation.
I'll try.
Ich habe eine schöne Erinnerung an unseren Urlaub.
Perfect. The second situation is when talking about a special event. You could say,
Diese Feier war eine tolle Erinnerung.
meaning the celebration was a great memory.
Diese Feier war eine tolle Erinnerung.
Is that right?
Exactly. Lastly, when visiting a place, you might say,
Diese Stadt hat viele Erinnerungen für mich.
which means this city has many memories for me.
Diese Stadt hat viele Erinnerungen für mich.
Great job, Sam. Now, let's think about the gender memory hints.
What can help me remember it's feminine?
Since it ends with
Ung.
most nouns with this ending are feminine. You can visualize a beautiful memory as a feminine figure in a flowing dress.
That's a vivid image.
Now, let's talk about some usage notes.
Erinnerung.
Is typically formal, especially in writing. Common phrases include
In Erinnerung bleiben.
meaning to remain in memory, and
Eine Erinnerung wecken.
meaning to evoke a memory.
And what about similar words I should watch out for?
Yes. Don't confuse
Erinnerung.
with,
Erinnern.
which is the verb to remember, and
Beurteilung.
which means assessment.
I think I understand. Can you give me some example sentences?
Sure. Here's one.
Die Erinnerung an meine Kindheit ist sehr stark.
Meaning, the memory of my childhood is very strong.
That sounds nice.
Another example is,
Ich habe viele Erinnerungen an meine Freunde.
which translates to, I have many memories of my friends.
Oh, I like that one too.
And one more.
Wir haben die Erinnerungen zusammengeteilt.
Meaning, we shared the memories together.
I'm getting the hang of it.
Let's do a quick recall check. What's the article for?
Erinnerung.
It's
Die.
Correct. What is the plural form?
Die Erinnerungen.
Great. Can you give me the present tense for I have a memory?
Ich habe eine Erinnerung.
Yes. What's the past tense form?
Ich hatte eine Erinnerung.
Perfect. Lastly, what's the meaning of?
In Erinnerung bleiben.
It means to remain in memory.
Well done, Sam. Today we learned about
Erinnerung,
its meanings and how to use it in different contexts.
Thank you, Alex. I feel more confident now.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember, every memory is a step in your learning journey. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better.
I will. Thanks for today.